Implementing continuous improvement in factories can be a major challenge for the manufacturing sector, including shop floor and management integration, full product lifecycle integration from design to manufacture, and IT systems integration, such as ERP and MES. Are you still managing your key production measures on Excel spreadsheets? The Datalyzer system was pioneered over 40 years ago and is continuously developed to support Industry 4.0 possibilities. Datalyzer and ENCONA provide an integrated modular solution for FMEA, SPC, and MSA that fully maps to the APQP and PPAP process with OEE capability. This software helps our customers to manage their underlying processes by giving engineers action plans, giving managers critical parameters, and giving the ability to see critical actions closed. The system supports compliance with ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. It is a flexible and scalable solution that enables customers to start with a single station, single module, expand to a plant-wide integrated solution, and even support a company-wide network with users in multiple locations. Data is automatically imported from a variety of sources, and the system can be used in a browser or as an on-premise installed application. Are you ready to take your quality management system to the next level? Click the link or visit ENCONA.org for more detail.